Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain univariate function optimization example with Python. Optimization is a technique for finding the minimum or maximum value of the function from the set of available options. Finding the shortest path from point A to point B by evaluating multiple alternative directions can be a simple example of an optimization problem. Finding a single input scalar that defines optimal output of the target function is called univariate function optimization. In other words, it involves optimizing with respect to a single input variable. This is a simpler case compared to multivariate optimization, where the function has multiple variables. SciPy API provides the minimize scalar function to implement univariate optimization with a given method. In this tutorial, we'll briefly learn how to perform univariate function optimization by using minimize scalar function with the Brent method in Python. In this tutorial, first I explain univariate function optimization and provide source code listing. Let's get started. First, we'll start by loading the required libraries for this tutorial. Here we use SciPy, Matplotlib, and NumPy libraries. Univariate function contains a single variable. To get an optimal value from univariate function, we'll find a single optimal input. First, we'll prepare objective function as below and visualize it in a graph. This is a target function, and then we can display it in a graph. The plot shows the shape of function. Then we'll use minimize scalar function to find the optima. The minimize scalar minimize univariate function with a given method such as Brent, bounded, and golden. Here we use Brent method. This code shows how to use the minimize scalar function. The func function is a simple univariate function here. The minimize scalar function is then used to find the minimum of the function, and we can print the result here. The result contains the following attributes: value of objective function, number of evaluations, number of iterations, and the existence of optimizer, then the solution of the optimization. Now we can visualize the detected minimum of the function in a graph. Here we visualize it detected minima of the given function. This is basic illustration, and the minimize scalar function provides various methods for univariate optimization, including the Brent method, golden section search, and bounded methods. The choice of method depends on the characteristics of the function and the specific requirements of the optimization problem. That's it for this tutorial. In this tutorial, we briefly learned how to perform univariate function optimization with minimize scalar function in Python. Here is the source code. I'll put the link to the source code in the description. If you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.